never too late to change. Just look at me at 43. I got in the best shape of my life. I changed myself physically, but also mentally. And this is exactly what I gave to the trader that joined me. The trader you see over here, like today, they came to improve, to evolve. I've seen like 4 figures, I've seen 5 figures, and able to change means like, putting the first step in the right direction.
For me, a typical day without any major mistakes or issues, is high 4 figures to low 5-figure days.
I'm looking to make more or less $50, $100 a day. I am at that level. I have this average every day. It's very important, and so I'm quite happy now.
So you see down the over from the Zealand guys, record the tape, so level 2 in times in sales, and also record your screen, your executions. Level over here, 436. Shorted. So you think that trading is risky, but think about all the decisions that you made. When you were born, you had to choose the school, or maybe the parents chose the school, but when you went to university, you had to choose. You had to choose the job you wanted, the sport that you wanted to do. You had to choose the relation that you wanted. And wasn't this a risk? How you know if this would end up good or bad? It was a risk, right? And the same thing in business. When you want to create something, maybe you put up a shop or you build a business out there. Is the risk implied? Yes. The same in trading every single day. I'll break even, I have to. Maybe we'll fall down, but I need to risk my break even and save the profits of the day.
EBIT, MLGO.
Wait, so on a small account, they're still not bad, 10%.
Yeah, it's been amazing, bro. Jai is he's the same person that you see on Discord every day, you know what I'm saying? He's just not pretending anything, it's just Jay, and yeah, it's been awesome, man.
Coming here and working with Jay, he really breaks it down systematically in a way that you can find the stocks to trade, perfect setups that you can identify on the charts, great execution places, and odds for the trades. I think it's just, he lays it out perfectly.
Come over here with me. We just had a trade over here with our trade from Virginia. So Charles, what are you doing, Charles?
Trading long JFBR off the VWAP projection. This is an area where I have not really explored much, so this week I've been trying to learn more about how to be better at going long. So very small size for me, just 250 shares. I waited for a little bit of confirmation, getting the VWAP projection, entered around 413, risking initially the bottom of the wick before, and have moved up to about 5 cents under VWAP at this point.
Okay. What Charles said is so important. In the room, guys, is Pura Vida. He's a net fund manager and trader, so he knows how to use size, but he's exploring something that is not part of his playbook. He's a 99% short seller, but right now he's going long, and what he's using, he uses very small size. I mean, he's a trader that can do very good 5 figures in a day, but that's exactly how you have to work. So when something is not proprietary of your playbook, trade small. Don't start right away, even for beginners. Don't start right away putting size because you want to do more. You're greedy. Wait, have patience, and then grow.
I think the approach that JTrader takes is it's almost on a personal level connection with the room and something that you just don't get anywhere else.
Trading is such a solitary job. And all the friends that you may have, even if there are many, they're still online. But what I wanted to do is create a place, a trading room, an academy, where actually traders come over here, that they can share even the same food, the same time, or we can share thoughts, or like we can, just like having a arm wrestle together.
You son of a bitch.
And guess who wins? But actually, the point is sharing the same work with another person, the same room is something amazing, and that's the reason why the academy here is opening for everybody. When I saw my life changing, I told myself that I also want to inspire others, motivate. That's the reason why here at the academy, I help others taking decisions about their life and helping them in improving their skills. This means that you come over here, you will trade live with me, being that we trade with Cobra, with Zimtra, or other brokers. You will actually learn how to take bars, when to take them, which routes to use, the setup, the strategy to use, the process. So you will see, and I will explain my plan when I'm taking the trades, why I'm taking the trades, the timing of entry, I could see Thibaut over here. I could see like Ty or Charles or like Mark or Michaela or Eri or Silnoon Connection. All these traders that got over here from overseas as well, or Italy or Europe. I mean, they're learning exactly how to trade. And it's something that I can tell in 3, 4, 5 days, you learn what maybe would cost you a year of trading, a year of studying.